Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to Chainlink once again. Thank you for support, okay? Big of the CoinsKid crew. So Chainlink was part of my confluence way back in March. For those people that are tuning in, you know, I always look for confluence in my analysis of whether I'm going to go up or go down or whatever. And I always try and find reasons in other charts. And Chainlink was that reason, basically. It was part of my analysis of confluence that I did think we would see this macro correction, and that's exactly what we've been in ever since. Okay, so the reason is because whenever you see 5 waves to the upside or 5 waves to the downside, that's where you buy. Okay, so 5 waves down, get involved, 5 waves up, take profit. Really simple. So that's exactly what I've done just there. And then obviously I've been away for a few months. I've been touring America with the children and Germany and things like that. So, you know, I've reaped the fruits of that labour basically against the herd mentality. When we was all the way down here, you know, I was looking at this beautiful inverse head and shoulders pattern with you. Once that resistance broken, this is it. This is go time, and we should come up and we should see 5 waves. And if we do, that's where you take profit, that's where you get out, and that's where you expect the, you know, the macro correction to come and play, and that's exactly what's happened there. So this is a beautiful chart. I don't think enough people pay attention to the Chainlink chart. So from this 5 wave move up in June of last year, we've potentially got an impulsive wave 1, and what we've been doing ever since is just really simple, overlapping, flagging structure coming back like this. Okay, so the big question on everyone's lips is the correction over? So I'm looking for reasons why it could be over, but there's also a reason why it couldn't. So I'll go through this with you. Okay, now what I have done, I've actually added to my spot bags at this point here, because what we've got is this beautiful inverse in the shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and we busted through in a god candle. So as this projection come up in 5 waves to the golden ratio, I did say to you my buyback will be on this god candle breakdown, and this is why, you know, I put my money where my mouth is. I did buy back Chainlink at this point, so from here roughly 22% up on them bags. Okay, so what I think we've got here for Chainlink is really simple. Impulsive wave. Okay, we've come up off this bottom in 5 waves, so this is potentially impulsive, you know, 1 2 3 4 5, beautiful. And what we've got is this overlapping zigzag waves at the moment, so this corrective price structure coming back to where it came from. So, you know, you should be buying. Any pullback, any drawdown should be a buy, not a cry, because in theory the next move up is a wave 3 that takes out that resistance and potentially the all-time high in the 3rd wave. This is typically what we see. Okay, so the invalidation of such going forward, really simple. It's to where you've come from in June of 2023. That's your bull market support for Chainlink. Break down below that, I will exit and I'll project to the downside. Really simple, because I'm just respecting the data in the charts. Okay, I hope you understand. So far so good. Chainlink came up in 5. Beautiful confluence of the fact that we will come from the macro correction, and that's exactly what we've been doing ever since. So I think one of the key things we need to see here for Chainlink to get really bullish is really simple. You see this trend line, this sloping trend line, once we take that out in time, that's it. I think that's the go statement from Chainlink, and I think that's the clue to the big vertical, the big 3rd wave for Chainlink. Okay, so in the meantime, what I'm looking at is a potential. That's an A wave down, this is a B wave high, and what we've done right now, we're in the C wave of the ABC zigzag correction, wave 2. Okay, so wave 2s are nasty. They come back, shake people out. Oh no, it's over, the bull market's over, and things like that. But you know, if you can hold on and look for the invalidation, obviously take a risk, then this, you know, these pullbacks are just opportunities to eventually come up and take out the high, because 1 2 3 4 5 overlapping corrective price structure coming back is only an opportunity to come up eventually and fruit the, you know, reap the rewards of your labor by buying all this impulse. Okay, and then selling after the 5 waves up. You buy all this pullback and sell after the 5 waves up there as well. Really simple, guys. Okay, let's not overcomplicate it. So at the minute I'm a buyer, not a crier, but the difficulty is obviously in pinpointing the exact bottom. So we look for certain things. At the moment we've got, from this high here that we put in March, we have currently found support on the golden ratio. So it could be the bottom, absolutely. But what we want to see from here is a 1 into a 2 into a 3 4 5, so on and so forth. We need to see 5 waves, and this wave needs to take out this red trend line. I think that's a major clue that from wherever you've come, that is it. You know, you've got your confirmation of your bottom right there for Chainlink. So at the minute there is always a chance that we've got the A, the B, and right now we're in a C wave. And within the C wave I do typically look for 5 waves, and we only see 3. Okay, so we've got some kind of 1 into a 2 into a 3 into a 4 into a potential final 5th wave drop. Oh no, it's going to 0. Everyone sells at the absolute bottom, and then we get the turnaround. Okay, and we've just basically got some kind of 5 wave corrective flag, 1 2 3 4 5 like this. Okay, that's coming back down, and then it goes again. Absolutely possible. So all I'm doing is respecting the fact that we've seen 5 waves up and we've got the flagging overlapping corrective waves coming back. This is why I think that this is an opportunity for this. Okay, not that. Okay, but obviously the invalidation is there, and you know, we've got to keep an eye on it, because anything can happen. 0 fib at $4.74. Break that, I'm out. Okay, and I have to predict to the downside. So I hope you understand that update. It's not rocket science. You know, you see 5 waves up, get out. You see 5 waves down, get in. Really, really simple. For example, you know, we've got the macro ABC here, the A, the B, and the C. Now what we've done here, we've got the 1 into 2 into a huge 3, 4, 5. Get in. Okay, and that's exactly what we did do. Come up in 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get out. That's exactly what we did do. Right now we've got a potential A into a B, overlapping corrective waves, possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see 5 waves here. Get in. Really, really simple for that. Okay. Hope you understand the update. Stay up, stay strong, stay tuned. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice, but so far so good. Chainlink's playing out like an absolute boss. Okay. Hope you understand the update. Bye bye.